We're shifting our focus now to some big breaking news now coming in. We're learning the sentencing of Sanjay Roy, who's the convict in the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital rape murder case, is expected in just a bit from now. All right. Well, what we are learning is that the CBI in the court today has said that it's rarest of rare cases, one of those cases, and has demanded death penalty for the accused. Well, the Kolkata court, where the hearing is still underway, is going to pronounce the quantum of punishment for Sanjay Roy. Remember, he's a civic volunteer who's been convicted of raping and murdering the trainee doctor at RG Kar Hospital in August last year. And the judge in the court, we do understand, has asked the accused Sanjay Roy as to what his views on punishment in this case should be and he said that we want to know your views on punishment. It has been proven you raped and killed the victim. All right, we have Tanushka, my colleague, joining us on the broadcast here. She is getting us more from the court. Tanushka, what more details can you give us? What's happening in the court?
Right, Kitty. So we need to understand that, the charges under which Sanjay Roy has been convicted entail a minimum sentence of life imprisonment, while the maximum can also be a capital punishment, which in other words, it's a death sentence. So right now, the proceedings in the court are, arguing whether or not a death penalty should be sentenced or should be given out to Sanjay Roy, as he is the main accused and convict in the case. The prosecution is saying that there are category of cases wherein death penalty can be given, and is the rarest of rare category. And they say that it is stressing upon, even the CBI is stressing upon, that this accounts for such a rare case because the doctor who was raped and murdered was a meritorious student and her death is a loss for society. The court has already established that Sanjay Roy has been found guilty. However, Sanjay Roy pleads not guilty, and he's saying that he is being falsely implicated. Now, the defense is also at the same hand saying that while, death sentence is in the rarest of rare cases, reformation is also a possibility. So right now, the judge and the court are asking the prosecution and the defense to prove or draw arguments as to why is this case on Sanjay Roy doesn't come within the ambit of reformation. So if there's lingering uncertainty that Sanjay Roy is beyond reasonable doubt, and only then death penalty can be commuted.